Canva isn't just a tool anymore in 2025. It helps you in marketing, branding, video editing, and business. With Canva new feature, you easily generate form. Simply just go into elements and you see a form option. It helps you receive responses, add it into your design, presentations or website, and share design. With Canva new feature, you can also add forms, emails, questions, poll ratings, and many options. You can also download these responses as a CSV file. Second best option that Canva added is an email designing. Go into a Canva home and you will see option email. You can use a ready-made template or even generate from scratch. Canva email feature helps you in designing and sharing option, and you can even download as HTML file to use. The Canva third best feature is style match. With this Canva feature, you can copy any image style. Within one click, you change the style. You simply select the image and copy the art style and paste it into the other image. It generates a similar style image which you can use in your design. Canva also releases a video 2.0 version. With this Canva feature, you can manage different text and elements in your timeline. The next best feature added here is text gradient. Before that, you have to use Canva apps, which is very irritating. So after release of this feature, you can easily add gradient on text. If you need to know what other Canva features are added, please follow the next video.